Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use airline credit on Expedia. So to use the airline credit on Expedia you have to follow some steps. So here we can just open the Expedia. So to redeem the Expedia credits you need to follow this step so you can just trade it. Okay, so let me tell you in a short. So first of all you will just open here Expedia. Okay, so let us open here expedia.com, stories. Expedia, let us expedia.com. So here is expedia.com. Okay, so here when you will just log in, so it will show the credit. Okay, let's click on the sign in button, so it will show the credit to your account, and then from there you have to select the flight or the booking that you want to select. Okay, then after doing that, if you want to book this about like a $139, so here I will just sign in with the extra saving. So it will minus the credit amount or redeem the credit amount that I have get on previous properties. So this is how we can just do it. Okay, so this is very helpful. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.